it's in. I got the intake on there, just sitting there. Just want to see how it looked while it's in the car, and it looks like it will clear the hood, just barely, but it will. And the 67, 62, man, it's a tight fit on this side. It fits, but when I say barely, well, I mean barely. I can turn that thing a little bit more inward, and it would probably be all right, and tweak it a little bit. I'm gonna have to get somebody to make my exhaust going back out. And that relay box, I'm gonna have to move it. I think I'm gonna move it back there to the firewall somewhere, because I'm relocating my battery to the back anyway. So, but yeah, it's in there. I gotta put my flywheel on and a new pilot bushing. And I ordered a starter from somebody in Tennessee, I think. So I think without, beefing up the trans right now, I just want to get it in and try to get fuel hooked up to it. If I get my tank back and my tank's good, and just try to wire everything up and get it figured out how to get it running. But yeah, so this is the point I'm at now. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.